once. I want to thank Stephanie, my wife. Very lucky man. I'm also lucky because I've got wonderful friends. And that includes the guys on stage right now. These are my friends. Now, let me tell you a little bit about these guys. A couple months ago, they could not even clap and chew gum at the same time. And then, after lots and lots of hard work, lots of time in the basement, they learned 3 songs, staring at each other's navels, working on motor skills. Now they can clap and chew gum at the same time. I want to tell all of you, sometimes you feel like you've been a little bit selfish and self-centered. You might think like it's all about me. Well, if you don't donate blood, if you haven't given volunteer time for noble causes, if you haven't done those types of things, this is your opportunity to make up for that, because these fine gentlemen, they need some love, some support, and they actually asked me to say some words to this effect, so you would have very low expectations. Anyway, this is Noise in the Basement.